Ready to sell your company? Coastal M&A in New Bedford, Massachusetts is your trusted partner for a successful and confidential sale. President Kevin Nery and his team of certified business intermediaries specialize in Massachusetts mergers and acquisitions, offering no-obligation consultations to help you plan your exit strategy. Selling your business is a major financial event. Our team's 25-year history and expertise across manufacturing, B2B services, construction trades, retail, and more ensures your business is valued and marketed effectively and accurately. With a vast network of local and national acquirers, we match your business with the right buyer, securing the best price and terms for Massachusetts mergers and acquisitions. You'll receive personalized, consistent communication, detailed information, and dedicated support throughout the purchasing process. At Coastal M&A, we provide complete confidentiality for all Massachusetts mergers and acquisitions. Don't leave your business's future to chance. Contact Coastal M&A today for a confidential consultation and experience the difference of working with industry leaders. Call 508-990-9800 or visit Coastal M&A today.